Imagine you're scrolling through your social media feed, and suddenly, a neon-lit video catches your eye. It's vibrant, it's different, and it's got a certain saas quad that draws you in. Now, imagine that this isn't just a random video, but a platform where users create and share this kind of content. A place where neon is the star of the show. That's neon. But here's the burning question: how many people are actually using neon? Is it a niche platform with a small but dedicated following, or is it a rising star in the social media universe? Before we dive into the numbers, let's take a quick look at what neon is all about. It's a social media platform that's all about neon lights, vibrant colors, and creative expression. Users can create videos, photos, and even live streams using neon effects and filters. It's a playground for artists, designers, and anyone who loves a bit of neon in their life. Neon's growth. Neon has been gaining popularity steadily over the past few years. The platform's unique aesthetic and focus on creativity have attracted a growing user base. People are drawn to the vibrant and eye-catching nature of neon's content. It's a refreshing change from the more traditional social media platforms. User statistics. While neon doesn't release official user numbers as frequently as some of the larger social media giants, we can get a sense of its growth from various sources. Third-party analytics. Companies that track social media usage often include neon in their reports. These reports can provide estimates of the platform's user base. Social media mentions. By monitoring mentions of neon on other platforms like Twitter and Instagram, we can get a sense of how many people are talking about and using the app. App Store reviews. The number of downloads and ratings for the Neon app on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store can give us an indication of its popularity. The numbers. Based on these sources, it's estimated that Neon has 16 million active users. While this might not be as high as some of the established social media giants, it's a significant number for a relatively new platform. Neon's future. As Neon continues to grow, it's exciting to see where the platform will go next. With its focus on creativity and vibrant aesthetics, it has the potential to become a major player in the social media landscape. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, Neon has a growing user base, with estimates suggesting that 16 million people are currently using the platform. While it may not be as massive as some of the more established social media giants, Neon's unique appeal and focus on creativity make it a platform to watch. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.